Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're diving into the mystical and transformative energy of the upcoming new moon in Scorpio on November 1st, 2024. So what does it mean when a new moon occurs in Scorpio? Let's start with the basics. Scorpio is a water sign ruled by Mars and Pluto, making it intense, powerful, and incredibly transformative. Scorpio energy is all about depth, going beneath the surface to reveal what's hidden. And yes, that can be a bit intense, but that intensity is exactly what makes this new moon in Scorpio so special. This new moon isn't about surface-level change, it's about digging deep and facing what's in the shadows. This is a powerful time to do what's known as shadow work, looking at parts of ourselves we may keep hidden, like fears, insecurities, or past hurts. And guess what? Acknowledging these can be incredibly healing. One of the most important spiritual messages of this new moon is that true transformation requires us to let go. Scorpio teaches us that sometimes we need to shed our skin, just like a serpent, and release old patterns or emotional baggage that's weighing us down. So it just might be a time to ask yourself, what are you ready to let go of? What's no longer serving you? Scorpio is also associated with water, so you may want to think of this time as a spiritual cleanse. Water represents emotions, intuition, and the subconscious. This just might be the perfect time to set intentions for any emotional healing, trusting in your intuition, and cleansing your energy. A few things that might be helpful would be to grab a journal or a piece of paper and write down what you want to release and what you want to bring into your life. Or you could just meditate. Scorpio is about rebirth, so it may also be a good time to focus on intentions that would support your own personal transformation. Now, let's talk about reclaiming personal power. Scorpio encourages us to step into our own strength, even if it means facing fears or stepping out of our comfort zone as we move forward on our own journey ahead. This new moon is a reminder that we have more inner strength than we often realize. So, it just might be a good time to use this energy to claim your power and take that next step forward. To sum it all up, this Scorpio new moon is all about deep transformation, emotional release, and rebirth. Whether it's through journaling, setting intentions, or just taking a quiet moment to connect with yourself, use this energy to let go of what no longer serves you. Also, it just might be a good time to embrace this new moon and look at it as a chance to heal and move forward on your path ahead. Please give us a thumbs up to help us grow. Thank you.